grab here, pull down, and this helps keep the curls intact. I used Rooted and True to do this. Hey guys, so here with the tutorial, I did my flat twist, so I hope you check that out. Now we are gonna do a flat twist out. I've had these twists in for a week. Oh, this is my oil concoction bottle. You know, check out my oil concoction video on TikTok. Actually, I should have started with a little water in my hair because my hair is super dry right now. So there's also oil in here from the oil concoction bottle. I don't want it to be too wet because I want to see what it looks like stretched too, but ooh, it was just too dry. Okay, so heavy to shake. Okay, so at the very end, I'm gonna at least start with some water. Spray that. Give the baby some food. Okay, so now we are going to untwist. Easy peasy lemon squeezers. And then you get here and then you're just pulling down, right? And move this, pull down, untwist again, grab here, pull down. And this helps keep the curls intact instead of just going, you know what I mean? So have the patience. You do have the time. We have the time. So yeah, just like that, and you make your way all the way up the twist. Simple does it. Easy does it, girls. Easy does it. Spray the water in that little baby. Ease on down the road. Guys, I hope you've been having an enjoyable day. What's the weather like over there where you're at? Comment in the comments below and let me know. With an elephant, what's the weather like over there? You know, today in California, where I'm at, it is 80 degrees and sunny, hardly a cloud in the sky, and there is a slight breeze going about 4 miles an hour. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. I don't do 9 to 5. No, we have to turn that off so we can talk about this. Oh my goodness, grapes and jelly. Like, this is before I do anything. This is just, and it's already falling like you want to give me a bang, because you know I love a bang. You know I love a bang plant. Bang, bang. Okay, so now we're gonna get to work on it. Ah! So excited! So we can see a difference in my hair, right? So this, it seems like there's a lot more division, and it's still defined, even though there's a lot more division. And this side, it seems like there's less division, the parts are thicker, and that it's not as defined. And what I can see the issue was is the ends. I didn't twirl them or make sure I was holding the pieces together as tightly towards the ends as I did at the top. And so that's what resulted in kind of frayed ends compared to this, where the ends are still a little frayed, but they're in smaller sections, so it doesn't look as like this. 100,000 views on my IG live. You know what I'm saying? Okay, but we work through things, okay, baby? Because we're gonna get through this. Gonna break through. I just want it still to be full as the other side, and we're gonna buy. And we're just gonna pose with this side. Of course, honey, hobby. And then we're gonna take our time to separate a bang. So we want a bang. Yes. So do you want to be her? Cute. Or do we want to be her? I'm feeling like I might want to be her. And that way I can save the bang for tomorrow. Like, the less division you do, the better intact it'll be when you wake up in the morning. So then you can further divide. Because when you divide so much, like when it gets to like this full, it can end up getting really puffy quickly. Versus things that are more defined, they take a few more days to get, you know, explosive. So that's why, as far as styling purposes, when you take out when you're doing a twist out, it's good for you to try to do as little division as possible on the first day, so that you can wear it for more days and just keep dividing more and more. Okay, and this is also helping out on this section that was less defined. Also, check out the color of my hair. If you want to see how my hair got this way, let me know in the comments below. Got here without dye. I'm so glad I did this video with you guys instead of on TikTok. I love TikTok. You know, y'all can catch me on TikTok all the time for more up-to-date content. I post daily on there. But come on, there's something about YouTube. There's something about YouTube. Zhuzhin, you know, the zhuzh. I am really liking this. Oh, I love this color too. I'm a wild girl, you know, so a tan. We'll see. Am I just love hair that moves. Minimum shrinkage here too. Come on now, look. Come on now, look. Shea Moisture, I'm gonna need to see what y'all got with y'all anti-shrinkage products. Because, oh my gosh. And then I was thinking to myself, I didn't use a cream. I wonder, maybe I should have used a cream and then rooted on top. But I didn't. I just used this. Okay, because this is coming in as competition. Okay. Is coming in as competition. I haven't tried Shea Moisture's product that is supposed to reduce shrinkage. I do want to check it out and do a review for you guys, so let me know if that's something you'd be interested in the comments below. Also, just let me know what you think of this hairstyle. Let me know if you try it and how it works out for you. If you have bounce, make sure you go back and watch that tutorial for the flat twist, cause I got it for you. I got it for you. I got it.